As I got a good response from you for the Nagaro quant section video and the technical question video, and the one who didn't watch the videos, go to my channel Sahil CSC, where I uploaded a video on Nagaro repeated quant section questions and the technical questions, and mostly people are saying that they get the exactly same questions during placement drive. So as I got a good response, so now I am going to make a video on coding questions asked in Nuguaro placement drive. Guys, watch the full video and I also tell you how you get the answer of these questions. So let's start the video. So mostly they asked three questions. You have to write only pseudocode for that, and the first these are the total 25 questions which are mostly repeated. So the first question is, given a starting point in a 2D array of size xy, you have to rotate sub array of size n starting from given starting point. This is the first question, and the second one is there are a lot of substrings like AB, BC, CD, AD, and you have to find the longest string can be made like AB plus BC plus CD is equal to ABCD is equal to 4 answer. But keep in mind that ending character of first string should be the first character of the next string. So the third one is the third one is the this question also an array, given an array of size m into n, and every row of array is sorted and contains equal element, but different rows can contain same element present in other row. You have to sort the array and remove the duplicates and store it one on D array. And the fourth question is, you are given a m into m matrix. Write a function to rotate a submatrix within the matrix by 90-degree clockwise. Function takes x and y as a starting row and column coordinate of matrix, and n as a size of submatrix as argument. In place rotation was required, and I gave brute force, that is with extra memory. And guys, if you need a PDF of that questions, you can comment with your email ID. First you need to subscribe my channel, like and subscribe, then comment with your email ID, I will mail. And the fifth question they ask is, you are given a sorted array containing both negative and positive value. Resort the array taking absolute value of negative numbers. Your complexity should be OM. And this is example as arrays -8, -5, -3, -1. These are, and the output is in the form of -3, a -3, 3, -5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the sixth question they asked is write a program to find a subset that contains equal sum in an array. And this is, for example, 1 2 3 4 2, and this is 1 2 3 and 4 comma 2. And the next question they ask you, check if a binary conversion of a given number is palindrome or not. And this question, and yes, I got this question in my placement drive. This is the same question they ask. I use a recursive function for binary conversion and then check for palindrome using a loop. Refrain from using invalid function as they wanna check your logic over and time conversion. And guys, I also want to tell you that they only ask a pseudocode. You doesn't need to write the full program, you just need to write the logic for that. And the eighth question they ask is, separate zeros and one in that order from of only zeros and one. Yes, this is also the repeated question. Got the same question. I use the partition algorithm quicksort to do the same in on and time complexity. And the ninth question they ask is the one sentence is given in the string. Find out the word that has the length even and greater than equal to 4, example 4, 6, 8, etc. And separate them with space. For example, given string is a b c d and output is in the form of a b c d a b c a b c d and so on. And the ninth question they ask is the was given an unsorted array, find the fourth largest in the O and time complexity. This is the 10th question. I numbering the wrong it, so you can the 10th question is second was given, and the array of zeros and ones sort the array in On. And the 11th question is given a string, find the longest substring having at most two unique characters. If there are multiple longest substring, return them all. Example, given string hello world, then output should contain ELL, LLO, OWO. First two questions quite easy. That last one I did with brute force method, and there was no time constraint, so I did it in O(n) square time. And the 12th question they asked is write a program to print the given matrix in a wave like form, and the input matrix is the 0 1 2 3, and this is the matrix and this is the output you have to draw. And the 13th question they ask is the write a function to check if a given string contains the given number of unique characters. You should ignore soft characters, so R and R should be counted as the same character. As input string is Nagarro is the best software company. N is equal to 17. Output is true or false. And the 14th question they ask is the write a function to find the increasing subsequence whose sum is the highest, in which each number is greater than previous one in the given array. If the difference is less than or greater than, and then it is not considered as subsequence. Print the subsequence array and sum of subsequence array. Time complexity of a program must be O(n), as the input array is in the form and the output is the longest subsequence 35, 36, 37. Sum is 108. And the 15th question they ask is the given a string, find the longest substring with all distinct characters in it. If there are multiple such strings, print them all. And the O(n) solution was expected. For find all common elements in a given three sorted arrays, O(n) time and no extra space is required. And the 17th question they asked is the print a given matrix in a spiral form, and it is tested for all the corner cases. And the 18 is this is just a few basic like acidic properties, what is normal, why do we do it, etc. Mostly they ask the coding questions. These are the subjective type. 19th question is write a program to print the following pattern if n is equal to 5. And this is the pattern, and you analyze it for all n. And the 20th question they ask is the a matrix is given, rotate a submatrix at a 90 degree of a given size. And the 21st question is the string is given, paragraph type, count the frequency of each word in a string and print it. And the 22nd question is given two sorted array with a number and find two numbers whose sum is closest to a given number n. And the 23rd question is given an unsorted list of repeated elements in an array. Find the element with maximum frequency. And the 24th is the given a string containing characters and bracket, find if the brackets are paired in the string. And 25th is a little tricky, given a set of integers, find the third maximum. So guys, I provide you with the 25 questions asked in the Nagarro coding round. That coding rounds, so mostly they asked from these type of questions, so you just need to practice, and the solution of these will, you just need to search in the Google, or if you find, then by yourself you can find. And if you need a PDF of that questions, you just need to comment with your email ID. First like and subscribe, then comment with your email ID. I will mail at your ID. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask in a comment section. So okay.